This is a mistake that I see so many creators making, and it can actually cost you literally thousands of dollars for like the dumbest thing ever. So we're gonna just combat that by following what I'm about to tell you. When you are doing a gifted collaboration with a brand, do you need to legally disclose it? The short answer, yes, girl. This is a blurb straight from the FTC's website. They're the ones who make all of these rules, and you can screenshot it to see exactly what they expect you to be disclosing. You need to disclose partnerships, of course, yes, when they're paid, but also when you're receiving free product, when you have affiliate partnership with the brand, if you work with the brand in any way, like in your actual job, if you're not a full-time creator, and then if you're related to the brand or know its owners or friends with them, anything like that. In your actual post, your disclosure needs to be simple and clear. You can use advertisement, ads, sponsors, thank you to brand for the free products. It needs to be very clear that what you're receiving in talking about in this video or in this post was given to you for free. It's also very important for you to note down there that if you're creating an actual video, the disclosure needs to be on the video as well. And if you need to see what that looks like, I'll link an example down in the caption.